FEEP technology can be used for very precise maneuvers. Specifically, Morpheus Space's GO-2 propulsion system has the ability to provide very specific maneuver control based on the array of emission sites that we have within our product. That means that spacecraft can move within close proximity to other spacecraft and other pieces of space debris and make observations, and in some cases interact with those other pieces of space debris or space objects. And then if there's a need to perform some type of maneuver once they've come in contact with that other space object, the precision capabilities of GO-2 allow for that maneuver to be performed with a high level of reliability. For example, if there is a piece of space debris that needs to be deorbited, a spacecraft can approach that piece of space debris, adhere to it, and then actively deorbit that piece of space debris to make space a more safe and easy to operate environment.